Today I'm sharing a formula to make a simple, nourishing, and protective mineral sunscreen made with tallow, herb-infused jojoba oil, beeswax, and non-nano zinc oxide. The base of this recipe is purified tallow, and it truly is an amazing base for skincare. It's rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, all of which play a huge role in skin health and repair. The easiest way to purify tallow is to, after it's been rendered, pour the liquid hot tallow into a glass jar and allow it to cool upside down. This allows all of the sediment in the tallow to settle at the top of the jar, and you can easily scrape it off and repeat that process. Normally, I repeat that process about 3 times, and the final result is a super clean, beautiful tallow that's ready to be made into amazing skincare products like moisturizers, body butters, and sunscreens. To complement the tallow, I'm also going to be using a calendula and lavender infused jojoba oil. Calendula is one of the best herbs for soothing and supporting the skin in general, and lavender adds a gentle calming quality along with a soft herbal scent. You don't have to use an herb-infused oil. You can definitely use any high-quality oil of your choice. Grapeseed or sweet almond oil would also be excellent choices. And everyone's skin is different, so if you know an oil that your skin likes, feel free to use that oil. The method is so simple, it truly is incredible. You basically just melt everything together in a double broiler, then pour the hot liquid into your molds. I'm using 2 different types of dispenser molds. You could also use tins, or glass jars would also work. The exact formula that I'm using today is 10 grams of purified tallow, 15 grams of calendula and lavender infused jojoba oil, 10 grams of zinc oxide, and 1 gram of beeswax. But that really is a flexible formula, and you could add a little bit more beeswax if you want it to be harder. You could add a little bit more oil if you want it to be softer. You could even make it a lot softer and put it in a jar to have it more like a sunscreen lotion consistency. I have found that this particular recipe works really well in the tube dispensers, and it really applies quite nicely. When you use mineral sunscreen, you're creating a physical barrier against the sun. There will be a slight white cast, which is completely normal, and that's how the zinc oxide works. It creates a barrier between your skin and the sun. We do not use sunscreen on a daily basis in my home. I'm a huge fan of simply limiting sun exposure and strategically planning to be outside at times when the sun is not at its strongest. However, we do on occasion spend all day in the sun, and on those days, having a low toxicity, super safe and gentle mineral sunscreen definitely comes in handy. And in today's world where everything is overpriced and the quality is at an all-time low, anything that you are making yourself is going to be of higher quality than you can buy in the store, and definitely of higher value and lower price. I hope you try this recipe. If you do, please let me know how it goes in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.